Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by using a separate YouTube account to isolate files. That keeps your main channel clean and simplifies permissions. Once logged in, choose unlisted or private when uploading so videos won't appear in searches. Make sure to name each video clearly and add a timestamp or tag in the description so you can search later. Start the first upload now with a small test file to validate resolution, length limits, and that your account has no strike blocking uploads. Now focus on encoding and organizing. Convert files to MP4 using H.264 to ensure YouTube accepts them and to keep sizes reasonable. Once done, upload in logical chunks, split very large files into parts to avoid processing failures. While uploading, fill title and description with searchable keywords and a short index of contents so you can find segments quickly. Make sure privacy settings are set per your plan, and enable or disable. To retrieve files, go to YouTube Studio, locate the video, and use the download option for your own uploads. Keep original masters offline whenever possible. Once done, record each video ID and a short description in a separate index file so retrieval is fast. If something goes wrong, like processing stuck or upload error, re-encode at a lower bitrate, split into smaller parts, or try a different browser and internet connection. Also verify you haven't exceeded daily or storage limits on the account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.